Hi friends, today we're making jackfruit tacos. Tacos are a tasty meal, and this dish is easy, like a 1979 CB750 easy. Make sure you get young jackfruit or green jackfruit. You'll see it's packed in brine or water. If it's packed in syrup and it's ripe jackfruit, well, that's sweet and that's a dessert. You don't want that. I save the brine and I set it aside to use later. Chop up the jackfruit. Don't be afraid to smash it. You'll see it starts to look like shredded chicken, but much better, of course. Add your cooking oil to a large frying pan. I put the heat above medium. Remember the brine I set aside earlier? I pour about a quarter cup of that brine into the pan with the oil. Now I'll add the mashed chopped jackfruit into the pan. I'll heat that up a bit, stir it around. Jackfruit takes on the flavor of whatever seasonings you cook it with. Okay, now I'll add Tex-Mex seasoning. I add about 10 shakes from the container. Stir it around, mix it around. Now add Montreal chicken spice. I think I add about 5 shakes. 5 shakes out of the container should be about right. Stir that around. Okay, get your jackfruit brine again. Pour about 3 tablespoons into the pan with the seasonings and the jackfruit. The liquid will make the seasoning spread evenly throughout your jackfruit. That's for a nice even flavor. And you know what, the exact amount of brine is not important. If it looks right to you, it's right. A little more spice, because spice is nice. If you like, use your favorite barbecue sauce. Stir about 2 or 3 tablespoons in, if barbecue is your thing. You'll see how long to stir it. It'll look right to you. When the jackfruit looks cooked, set it aside. We're now going to use the empty pan to heat up the tortillas. Leave the heat set above medium, right where you had it. Sprinkle some more oil into the pan and then a couple of shakes of salt. I rub the tortillas into the oil and salt a little bit, just rub them around. And then I let the tortillas heat up. The tortillas should be ready after about 2 minutes. It's not exact though, you can see. Turn off the stove and put your warm tortillas on a plate. I flip the tortillas over and I put the brown side facing up. Hey, wouldn't you like some fresh coffee now? And the coffee will brew while we're preparing the rest of our taco fillings. Good timing. Chop and grate a carrot. Dice an onion if you like. Maybe dice some sweet pepper. Chop up any other veggies you might like. Hey, it's your tacos. Okay, I want to share a trick with you. I put the chopped and shredded veggies into big, wide-mouthed jars. I just find this is really handy. I can use the jars to shake the veggies into the recipe, and the jars can be used to store any leftover veggies in the fridge. I find upright jars make better use of the space in my fridge. But anyway, they're your veggies. Store them the way you like. I'm sorry, I'm not telling you what to do. Do whatever you want. Okay, now get your vegan sour cream or your vegan mayonnaise or whatever kind of spread you like on your tacos and put it on the fried tortillas now. Then layer on your veggies. See, I'm using my veggie shaker jar. You don't have to cook the veggies, they taste great raw. And now, spoon your prepared jackfruit onto the veggie layer. If you like hot sauce, sprinkle some hot sauce on now. Right, we're bikers, we're not savages. Of course we like to pair our tacos with an appropriate beverage. I prefer a red wine, but I'm not going to tell you how you should wet your whistle. Everybody loves tacos. And don't worry if you don't have a bike. You're still a biker. If you like, sprinkle a bit of salt on these, just to your taste, or any other seasoning you like.